Hi everyone, I'm Techie Talk AI, aka Roberto Coscia, and today I will show you a success story about building a CV optimization tool done with Augment Code. This is a tool that you guys might want. This is gold because this tool will allow you to bypass the ATS AI machines which scan your CV for keywords and build the CV that win the ATS machine. So you get more interviews. So this is high value. This app is not deployed to a website so that you can use right now. But let me know in the comment if you think this could be useful for you and how much you would pay for it. I know there are other tools. I don't believe there are tools as good as this. But just I want to understand. Well, probably there are few, but I want to know from you how much would you pay for a service like this. So let's start right now. Uh, it's self-explanatory. The app is as simple as it could. I managed to make it work fully. And the reason and the strategy of to success that allow me to make all work, while in the past videos you might have seen that this didn't work as I wished, and I couldn't get some agents to work correctly. The reason was because I always say, and even more now, the more time you spend at the beginning in defining the project, the architecture, how to solve specific problems from the project, the the more now down you go into the problem, solve that at the beginning, especially vibe coding, the easier will be the path to complete successfully this the issue. If you have big problems that you don't tackle, you give the AI coding tool to solve all the problem by itself, and then try to solve issues that arise along the way, it might be too late to reverse and fix. That's why very important is to focus and spend time at the beginning, really brainstorming, documenting, strategizing at the beginning, designing, everything should be done at the beginning. This is why today we're showing a success story of the full application built that I could deploy and earn money from it. So let's show you. So the first step, as you can see, there are 6 steps. CV import, then import of the job details of the job you want to apply for, the way you want the optimization tool to act as aggressive as possible, the CV optimization, the results, and the download of the CV. So let's go with importing my CV, which in this case is a docx file. Um, as you can see, we have already content preview, the number of characters of the CV, and some informations is wanted not to be super formatted already here, even though some formatting is there. But we can see that it is already subdivided by sections, which is the personal information, the professional summary, the work experience divided by each job role and its information. Look how beautiful it is. And then the education, the technical skills, and the framework I've been using. Now, what we can do is simply, once you double check, and you're happy with what it has been retrieved, you can go to the next step. Now, if you go on LinkedIn and go to the job section, and probably you find a specific job in in the test automation, let's say in English, because that's the language I've been testing this up for. I believe it works also in other languages, but I tested in English. Then you write the position, you write the role and the company, Thrive IT Systems. So Thrive IT Systems. Okay, now you can get the keywords. So we can see the keywords are those, but you can double check yourself and you can allow yourself to add other keywords. For example, we have Jenkins and Selenium, which is fine. UI testing here is not showing. Generally are showing, but if they're not, you can still check and add those here. Automation tester, and yes, I think we are good. Now you can go to the next step. You can decide how aggressive you want to be with the ATS machine. We want to be balanced, and which means if there are keywords in the CV which don't represent my current CV, obviously I don't want to invent and write a wrong and not true CV. So balance will be working well in this case, and we can start the optimization. That's what I did. Now we can see. We can click start the optimization. We can see that the original T score was 42. We got to 44. Probably with an aggressive, we could get to 55, 60. Um, but we wanted to be safe. So we are good with it. You can see that the how good it is doing. We can accept all. And finally, you can even review what has been changed here. Look at this, how good is. Then look, you can verify the original and the optimized content, and the keyword if they have been added, and we can finally download our format. How do we want to download? I want a Word download. So that's what I did, and I can review. In this case, I'm reviewing with OpenOffice. And look at this, we have a fully formatted CV optimized with the keywords and well formatted that you can send to other people. It is formatted in a way that doesn't look like a ChatGPT CV itself. Can be improved further? Could, but we are really at could be good enough to use it like this. That's it. What do you think about uh, this this tool? Let me know in the comment. Uh, my point is that it was successful, this tool, because it was well thought since the beginning, and so you should be taking care of the architecture, how to solve problems since the beginning of the project. This will help a lot later. If you find this video useful, consider to like, comment the video, letting me know what do you find could have been improved in this application. Also, let me know if you're interested in this application and how much would you spend for it, because it will be very grateful for me to know your opinion on this. And Um, Share the content because this allows the algorithm any action like comment, like, and subscribe with the notification bell because otherwise you will not see my new content. With this will allow the channel to get known by other people. That's it from today. Thank you very much and see you next video.